welcome to the quiz show, where if you know, you know, and if you don't, we confirm it. As Pake, I'm your host, Buddha Boss. Hey, leo ni mofaya! Kuruka, niko na wanaume tupu, which means hakuna kubembelezana hapa leo. Maswali zikuje. Ka ready na your dictionary, encyclopedia, anything. Tunauliza, we pia unajibu mahali huko. As usual, it is time to find out our contestants. Nikina nani? I'll begin to my right. Sir, what is your name and what do you do?
My name is John.
Yes, John.
Mimi ni msee wa biz. Hustler tu mtaani.
Hustler?
Yes, boss.
Fano manu.
Kabisa.
Wewe ni hustler. Fano manu. Karibu sana John maze. Karibu sana.
Thanks.
My brother, what's your name and what do you do?
I'm Alan.
Yes, Alan.
I am a content writer.
Content writer?
Yeah.
Hey. First writer on the show, napenda hiyo. Safi sana mti yangu. Alan na John. Team yenu inaitwaje?
Team Shepherd.
Team Shepherd.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, Team Shepherd. Kaka brother, your name and what you do?
I'm Francis.
Yes.
I'm a salesman.
Salesman?
Yes.
No wonder your shati ni kali. My friend. Hiyo ni shati ya kuuza sera. Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome, Francis. Karibu sana, sir.
Asante.
Your name and what do you do?
I'm Ruben.
Yes.
I'm an electrical engineer.
Electrical confidence ya. Kile uzito. First electrical engineer on the show. Napenda sana hiyo. Ruben and Francis.
Yes.
Team inaitwaje?
Rocktober.
Rocktober.
Yeah, Rocktober yani.
Nitoka wapi?
Sisi tunapenda rock.
Mnapenda rock?
Yes, na ni October.
Nani October? Oh my. All right. Wanapenda rock? Nani October. All right. That is Team Rocktober versus the Shepherds. Let us see kutakuwa vipi. As usual, we begin with our quick fire trivia. We're going to ask them 10 questions. They have 60 seconds to respond. Every correct answer, 100 points to their credit. In case they don't know, and I suspect somebody will not know. Not sure. What do we say?
Pass.
Pass. But then Ruben ni fan wa Arsenal.
Mbaya.
Okay, that is Arsenal na Man U. Okay, we begin with the general knowledge. Nianze na pande gani? Wacha nianze na side ya John na Alan. Mko tayari sana Shepherds? Mtuongoze because you guys are Shepherds. I would like to begin with you, John.
Yep.
Ready when you are? We cannot discuss. Kila mtu anapambana na hali yake.
Sawa.
Uko tayari?
Kabisa.
Let's do this. Question number 1. The time begins now. Knife, poison, gun, books. Which one is odd one out?
Books.
Correct. Which was the occupation or job of the following famous people? Leonardo da Vinci, Pablo Picasso, Vincent van Gogh.
Painters.
Painters, correct. What type of acid is found in lemons? Time is ticking.
Pass.
Pass, alright. What does the F stand for in FBI?
Federal.
Correct. Every time he tells a lie, what happens to Pinocchio?
Pass.
Pass, alright. Aloha means love, affection, peace, compassion, and mercy. Significant to which native?
Mexican.
Correct. How many carats are in pure gold?
9.
9. In. Correct. In the Superman movies, what newspaper does Clark Kent work for?
New York Times.
New York Times. In. Correct. The AIDS virus was first recognized in which country?
The what?
The AIDS virus was first recognized in which country?
France.
France. In. Correct. In which country did the Sony company originate?
South Korea.
South Korea.
Japan.
Japan. I feel like I'll give you that one.
Thank you.
Because I have not yet given my response. I will give you that one. Japan is the correct answer. Japan is the correct answer. AIDS first was recognized in the US of A. USA. And of course, Clark Kent works for the Daily Planet. 24 carats is pure gold. 24 carats, not 9. 24. 24. Aloha means love in Hawaiian. And whenever Pinocchio lies, his nose
Grows longer.
grows longer.
Sawa.
Clearly, when he's on top, Pinocchio.
Sielewi.
Nakufeel, hata mimi hizo vitu za Pinocchio tuliona tukiwa watu wakubwa. And of course, we find in lemon citric acid. Citric acid.
Citric acid.
Mmejaribu watu wangu, mumeanza vizuri, napenda hiyo. 1, 2, 3, 4 questions for correct. 400 points for the Shepherds. Rube. Francis. Rocktober. Tuanze hapa. Napenda your confidence. Your time begins now. In the medical emergencies, what does CPR stand for? Time is ticking.
Pass.
Pass. All right. Energy that is obtained from hot underground rocks is called what type of energy? Time is ticking.
Pass.
Pass. All right. Who was US president before Barack Obama?
George Bush.
Correct. Which street in Nairobi has the monument for Dedan Kimathi?
Moi Avenue.
Moi Avenue. In. Correct. Dermatophobia is the fear of
Jumps.
germs. In. Correct. A measure of body fat based on height and weight that applies to adult men and women is called?
Sorry?
A measure of body fat based on height and weight that applies to adult men and women is called?
Obesity.
Obesity. Incorrect. How many countries are there in the world?
Hey.
Hey, time is ticking.
100.
100 in. Correct. Appaloosa, French Trotter, Mustang are breeds of which animal?
Sorry?
Appaloosa, French Trotter and Mustang are all breeds of which animal?
Pass.
Pass. All right. Indigo is the largest airline in which country in terms of passengers carried?
Indigo.
Yeah.
Japan.
Japan. In. Correct. And your time is up.
Incorrect.
Incorrect. India. India. Appaloosa, French Trotter, Mustang. Types of horses. Breeds of horses. Don't worry, now we know. We have 195 countries in the world. Now you know.
Now I know.
A measure of body fat based on height and weight. Alan, saidia to get up. BMI. BMI, body mass index. Dermatophobia is the fear of skin disease. And of course, Dedan Kimathi monument haiko Moi Avenue. Ndugu yangu ulikuwa town last lini? Junction ya Kimathi Street and Mama Ngina Street. And of course, George Bush ulipata the kind of energy I was looking for that is obtained underground, geothermal energy, and CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Wow! What were rock? Wamegonga rock. Mko sawa? I believe so. Mumepata. Is it one question correct? Yes. 100 points for Rocktober. Leaders, shepherds, opportunity ya ku extend your lead. History, sports, food and drink.
Sawa.
I have the confidence, bro. Alan.
Yeah.
Tufanye hii kitu.
Sure.
Your time begins now. In which year are the next Kenyan elections set to be held?
2022.
Correct. Robert Ouko, foreign minister Kenya, was assassinated in which year? Time is ticking. If you don't know, say pass.
Pass.
All right. Who is the current Saboti MP?
Pass.
All right. Which country is the world's known sole superpower? Known
Salt.
superpower.
Pass.
All right. In which year was the Soviet Union dissolved?
88.
88. In. Correct. Who is the current president of Rwanda? Time is ticking.
Oh, pass.
Pass. All right. Youth and Gender Affairs Chief Administrative Secretary of Kenya is called?
Pass.
All right. From which city did the pandemic COVID-19 originate?
China.
China. Correct. Though that is the nation, I want the city, but nitakupatia. Okay, can you tell me the city?
Wuhan.
Wuhan. Thank you very much. The capital city of Chad is?
N'Djamena.
Correct. Luanda is situated in which African country?
Luanda.
Yes. Time is up.
Angola.
Bro. Whoa. I'm sure you're not gonna say Angola. Why you? I would nataka kusema Luanda ya Kenya. Luanda Maseno. My God, the Youth and Gender Affairs CAS is Rachel Shebesh. Now we know. President wa Rwanda. Francis, saidia mtu. Saidia mtu. Paul Kagame. Paul Kagame. In which the Soviet Union dissolved 1991, and of course, the current Saboti MP is Caleb Amisi. Umejaribu watu wangu. So far so good. Mmepata ngapi? 1, 2, 3 questions correct. 300 additional points. Shepherds 700. Bado mnatesa. Rube.
Yes.
Sports. Food and drink. Sports.
Yes.
Napenda hiyo. Very good. Excellent choice. Excellent choice. Uko tayari?
Tayari.
Me too. With which swimming stroke do races begin in the water?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. In. Correct. In which team game do you try to move backwards all the time? Time is ticking.
Pass.
Pass. All right. Which country won the 2015 Rugby World Cup?
South Africa.
South Africa. In. Correct. Which team currently leads with 14 FA Cup titles, with the most recent win having come in 2020?
Come again?
Which team currently leads with 14 FA Cup titles, with the most recent win having come in 2020?
Arsenal.
Arsenal. Correct. I like it. Can a goalkeeper score a goal for his own team? Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct. What is the maximum number of clubs permitted in a golf bag?
6.
In. Correct. Which is the oldest golf club in England? Which is the oldest golf club in England?
Pass.
Pass. All right. In which city is the One Kid Stadium?
Liverpool.
In. Correct. Who is the current Kenyan best goalkeeper of Harambee Stars?
Ondoa.
Ondoa. Ondoa. In. Correct. How many minutes is an extra time football match?
6 minutes.
6 minutes.
Yeah? 90.
No, come again.
Wewe ulisikia wapi?
Umeuliza.
Hiyo sijasikia vizuri.
Haujasikia vizuri? I am sorry. In. Correct. What is that nikuulize after nisha kuambia? Incorrect. How many minutes is an extra time football match? Extra time.
30.
Unaona?
Just tunaonanga zikiwa 6 minutes.
Unaona extra time ikiwa 6 minutes.
Extra time.
Kama hiyo ni addition.
96 minutes 100.
Yogi sisi kadibeni kinaweza kuwa 2, lakini the official extra time game ikienda. Anyway, pole sana. 30 minutes would have been correct. The Kenyan give her best goalkeeper Timothy Odhiambo anachezea Ulinzi Stars. Ukipata mchezaji anaitwa Ondoa wa Kenya. Ondoa hiyo mawazo. Okay. Tana nayo. Maximum number of clubs permitted in a golf bag is 14, not 6. And of course Arsenal ungekosa ningesikia uchungu sana. Hiyo ningesikia uchungu sana. World Cup 2015 ilishindwa na New Zealand, not South Africa. And this one makes me laugh. In which team game do you try to move backwards all the time? Believe it or not, you know it. Tug of war. Tug of war. Oh boy. All right. And the swimming stroke that inaanzaga ndani ya maji. Ndani ya maji. Ulisema butterfly backstroke. The only race inaanzaga ukiwa ndani ya maji. All right. How many have you gotten? 2 questions correct. 200 additional points. Watu wangu muko at 400 points. Mwempata 3?
Walikuwa na 100.
Oh, mulikuwa na 100. Sorry. 300 points. Nilikuwa nimeongezea hapo. All right, 300 points and 700 points. Let's come to our next challenge, which is 2 truths,
1 lie.
1 lie. This is the quiz show. We are on to our next challenge, which is 2 truths and 1 lie. The task at hand is simply to figure out which of the 3 statements we read out is false. Hapa tunaweza kudiscuss. Ukipata answer, 100 points to your credit. Leaders, shepherds, 700 points, 20 cars. Statement number 1. You can sneeze during sleep. True or false? Statement number 2. The bent joint in the legs of the flamingo is its ankles. True or false? Statement number 3. There is a world championship for throwing mobile phones. True or false? 5 seconds. Alan, ningependa sana kusikia kutoka kwako on behalf of the team. Statement 1, 2 or 3. Upuzi ni gani hapa? Yes.
You can sneeze during sleep is the false one.
It's a false one.
Yeah.
Unasema haiwezekani?
Haiwezi.
What do you mean haiwezi?
Kabisa sijai sneeze.
Haujai sneeze ukilala. Ulijuaje na ulikuwa umelala? Ulijuaje na ulikuwa umeokota?
Si tunaona kama hiyo ndo hakuna.
Hiyo ndio hakuna. Roho safi. So kuna tu watu wanakaa chini wamesema tuko na world championship ya kutupa simu.
Wazungu wako na mambo mengi.
Unasema kuna mafala walami wako nayo wale surprise.
Baya sana.
All right, let me tell you for free. For free. For free. It is true. There is a world championship for throwing phones. Ili niuma roho sana. Sana. Statement number 2. The bent joint in the legs of the flamingo is its ankles. It's also true. It is therefore statement number 1 that is correct. That is a false statement. When you sleep, the nerves that is responsible kufanya ukuwe na hiyo reaction pia zinalala. So you can't sleep and sneeze at the same time. 100 points for the shepherds. Watu yangu,
Yay.
you can make this 400. Mimi nawaaminia.
Tunajiandaa.
Mimi nawaaminia.
Kabisa.
Francis, tunaweza tuwezi.
Tunaweza.
Ruben, tunaweza tuwezi.
Tumeweza.
Twende kazi. Statement number 1. Bats always turn right when leaving a cave. Statement number 2. A rhinoceros horn is made of hair. Statement number 3. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. Statement 1, 2 or 3. Wacha nisikie kutoka kwa Ruben on behalf of the team. Mnakufa na gani? Is it 1, 2 or 3? Ruben, nipe jibu.
The false one is a rhinoceros horn is made of hair.
Ni ukweli. What is it made of?
Can't be made of hair.
It can't be made of hair.
Can't.
But imekuwa made of nini? Horns. Sema kitu. It is made of horns.
Keratin. Keratin.
Keratin. Okay, get you. I get you. I like it. Francis unaenda mbali. Wewe. Huyu jamaa anapenda huyu jamaa. Wewe, you are on the right track. Let me tell you for free. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. It is true.
It's so true.
Nilishtuka mimi mwenyewe kugundua. Statement number 2. A rhinoceros horn is made of hair. It is true. False statement is statement number 1. But always turn left, not right when leaving a cave. Rocktober.
We are rocking.
You're rocking. You guys are rocking at 300 points. Wacha tuone kutakuwa vipi after this short commercial break. Napenda watu. Welcome back to the quiz show where if you know, you know, and if you don't, we confirm it. Ladies and gentlemen, our leader so far, Team Shepherd, at 800 points. That is the team to my right. And to my left is Rocktober, who are rocking at 300 points. We have already covered the quickfire trivia. We have also covered 2 truths and 1 lie. We now come on to our next challenge, which is guess the meaning of the word. All we are looking for is the correct synonym from the options we shall give. Hapa tunaweza discuss, and the good news, we can snatch points. Either gap inapanda ama mnashukisha. Okay, let's move on to our leaders who go first. You have an opportunity of making this one 900 points. Your word is cognizant. Is it A, boorish, B, rush, C, ignorant, D, apprised? A, B, C, or D? Yes, mtu wangu wa Mani U.
Yes.
Jonte.
Apprised. Apprised.
Apprised.
Yep.
For real? You wanna change your answer? Think about it. Think about it.
Good.
Huh?
Kwa sawa.
Mnakufa nayo? Kusaidia ni ngumu. Let me tell you. Correct. 100 points. Oh, over to you guys. Your word is contrite. Contrite. Options are A, hangdog, B, impenitent, C, unrepentant, D, strong. Francis, on behalf of the team, mnakufa na gani? A, B, C, ama D? The word is contrite. Amua, kufa na.
B.
B, impenitent. Ruben, you want to change your answer?
Tunakufa na team.
Mnakufa na team? Arsenal ni team poa kukufa nayo. Incorrect. Alan, mnaenda na gani? Can you snatch 100 points?
It doesn't seem to be a good choice, but hangdog.
Don't know what. Mbona tupatie kitu hata wewe mwenyewe unajua tu haiwezi make.
Contrite heart.
Si tufanye tu kitu ina make sense. At least uone ulikaribia.
Hangdog.
John, saidia mtu wako.
Go with it.
Tutaenda na hiyo.
Mnaenda nayo?
Ndogo baya sana.
Iende.
Iende kabisa.
Wacha iende. Wacha iende. Na mimi naomba niwaambie. The answer strong is not the answer I was looking for. Unrepentant is not the answer. Correct answer is hangdog. The shepherds, ile kitu inaniuma so far ni wako na mtu wa Manu.
Ai, tempo bwana.
Ai, kwani angalia kala.
Munatesa.
That is a color.
Officially at 1,000 points. Can you extend it to 1,100? Your word is convivial. Convivial. Options are A, blah, B, staid, C, genial, D, serious. John, on behalf of the team. A, B, C, or D?
C.
C, say it.
Genial.
Genial.
Yep.
Convivial.
Kuna venye hiyo.
Inamaanisha nini?
Haiwezi kuwa black kulingana na sisi.
Kulingana nyinyi ni haiwezi kuwa black.
So, tunaonelea tu tuende na hiyo genial.
Umesema haiwezi kuwa staid.
Pia stayed kuna venye.
Kuna venye? Na umeangalia pia kuna haiwezi kuwa kitu serious.
Haiwezi kuwa serious.
Haiwezi?
Hiyo ni genial.
Hata mimi haiwezi kuwa serious. Wewe, Ruben nipeeni jibu. Sasa na watu.
Stayed.
Stayed. Kile uzito. Incorrect. Correct. Oh. 1,100 for the shepherds. All right. E. Mtafanya kitu Ruben na Francis. Debacle. A, paroxysm. B, mess. C, shambles. D, man. Francis nipe jibu. A, B, C, ama D. Mess. Debacle. Mess.
He got us into this debacle.
Into this mess.
Into this mess.
Okay. Do you want to change your answer? No. Good choice. Just in case. Alan.
Just in case ni C.
C, which is
Shambles.
shambles. Okay. Okay. For the first time, shambles is incorrect. It is incorrect.
You are just
It
wishing.
is incorrect. Mess is also incorrect.
Guy.
Believe it or not, the correct answer is paroxysm. Welcome to the quiz show, where if you know, you know. If you don't, we confirm it. Over to our next challenge, which is spell the word. My goodness. This is the quiz show. We are on to our next challenge, which is spell the word. We read out a statement, pick a word, ask them to spell it for us correctly. Once again, you can discuss and you can also snatch points. Watu wakilegea, unavuka ikiendanga. 1,100 points for the Shepherds. Rocktober, still rocking at 300 points. All right, are you ready?
Yep.
Your statement reads as follows. The irresistible pulchritude of her friend. Spell for me pulchritude. Pulchritude. Aha. Alan, nangoja unipatie spelling on behalf of the team. Pulchritude. Pulchritude. Ready when you are? Okay. Alan, nipe spelling.
P
P
O
O
L
L
C.
C.
Sorry, could you
Pulchritude.
pulchritude, right?
Yes.
P O L C
P O L
C R I
C R I
double T U D E.
double T U D E. Double or single?
Single.
Single.
Yeah.
All right. Incorrect. You can snatch 100 points.
P
P
O
O
L
L
C
C
H
H
R
R
I
I
T
T
U
U
D
D
E.
Would you like to change your answer, Francis?
No.
Ruben,
Yes.
you want to change the answer?
For a team.
Kufa na team.
Yes.
To kufa na team. Correct spelling is P U L C H
Guy.
R I T U D E. The only letter is letter O. Ndio imewaangusha. So close.
Situpia yote.
Niwapatie? Sawa. After the show. Over to you. Chukweni hata nisopatie. Chukweni. Male chauvinism was rife in medicine. Spell for me rife. Rife. Ruben, nisikie kutoka kwako. Rife. Nipe spelling, Ruben. Aha. Kufa na team.
R
R
I
I
F
F
E.
E. Hivyo tu.
Yes.
Ubadilishi. Kabisa.
Yes.
Correct. Finally, something has broken the rock. 400 points. Okay, you guys can make this one 1,200 points. Your statement reads as follows. What happened to all the sanctimonious talk about putting his family first? Spell for me sanctimonious. John T. Sanctimonious. You ready? Let's do this, John.
Alright. Okay. S
S
A
A
N
N
C
C
T
T
I
I
M
M
O
O
N
N
I O U S.
I O U S.
Yes.
Let me tell you something you will not believe. Can I tell you?
Sure.
I like it. Correct. I like it. I like it. 1,200 points. All right, over to you. Can you make this 500 points? Your statement reads as follows. Low wages were supplemented by surreptitious payments from tradesmen. Spell for me surreptitious. Surreptitious. Francis.
Surreptitious.
Surreptitious.
Surreptitious. Na kuaminia. Surreptitious. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do this.
S
S
I
I
R
R
E
E
P
P
T
T
E
E
O
O
U
U
S.
S. How do you feel about it? The feeling. Kakitu kana kuambia haiwezi kuwa, si ndio? You are right. You are right. Haiwezi kuwa. Haiwezi kuwa. Incorrect. Haiwezi kuwa. Alan, can you give me the correct spelling?
S
S
U
U
double R
double R
E
E
P
P
T
T
I
I
T
T
I
I
O U S.
O U S. What do you think, Ruben?
Correct.
You think so? Me too. Me too. Correct. 1,300 points. The shepherds hawacheki na mtu. My goodness. All right. Let's move on to guess the logo. Hii lazima mpate. Ni kweli. Ni kweli. This is the quiz show. We are on to our challenge. Guess the logo. Task at hand is simply to make the correct brand identification. We can still discuss and we can still snatch points. Leaders, 1,300 points. The shepherds get to go first. Are you ready?
Ready.
Your first image is this one. Talk to me. John.
Centum.
Centum. Centum. Centum, right? Okay. Ruben.
Saiton.
Saiton.
Yes.
Umetenda. Correct. Hapa ndo kusaidiana.
Amekoma na mimi follow, wacha na mimi follow.
Hata ukome na yeye. Kila mtu abebe lawama. All right. Kila mtu abebe lawama. Is it Centum or is it Saiton? Let's find out. Saiton. 500 points for Rocktober. Can you guys extend your lead? Your next image is this one. Ni sawa tu. Ni sawa. Alan, nipe kitu.
Juventus FC.
All right. Is it Juventus FC?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Juve. 100 points, 1,400. You guys can make this 600 points. Musiogope. Niko na nyinyi. This one. Tell me. Aha. 20 cars. Francis, I'm sure you know it. You know it. You've seen it. Talk to me.
Caps.
Kebs. Kebs.
Yes.
Wacha niongeleshe mtu na kasaya atakona the road to get correct answers. Ruben, niongeleshe.
Ako fighty.
Kebs. John,
Yuko wako sawa hiyo
wako sawa?
kabisa.
Okay. Is it Kebs? Let's find out. Hey, yes it is. 600 points.
Yes.
Rocktober.
Yes.
Can you make it 700?
Yes.
This is your next image. Talk to me. Hey, wano. Yani kitu watu wanajua. Yani hata ile kiburi inatoka kwa kiburi. Okay, semeni basi.
Liverpool.
All right, is it Liverpool?
Yes.
Okay. My gosh. You will never walk alone.
Yes.
Liverpool, of course. 700 points for Rocktober. Hey, watu wangu. Waseni tulivute pumzi. Hii ni moto. Nisipo cool down, jasho itaniua. We are coming back after this short commercial break. Welcome back to the quiz show, where if you know, you know. And if you don't know, we confirm it. We hope you're having fun and learning at the same time. So far, we've covered guess the logo, guess the meaning of the word, spell the word. And our leaders, shepherds, to my right, are at 1,400 points. Rocktober wameamuka. Pancheka na watu. 700 points wanakuom kukuom. Next challenge is guess the price. All we are looking for is the correct price within our range. Yenye tumengangana sana kutembea kwa all the leading supermarkets in the capital city of Nairobi kujua bei ya vitu. Anything in between, the answer is correct. You can discuss and you can still snatch points. Haya, gapi inapungua inaongezeka.
Hapa ni noma.
Hapa ni noma. Jote. Your product is this one, Lifebuoy antibacterial hand sanitizer 50 ml. Mtihani ni kwa 50 ml. 50 ml. John, hii bei inajusha ijua. Hii yuko sawa. 50 ml. John, nipe bei. Nipe bei. Nipe bei. Wanaume wamekataa kutoa bei. Bei imekwara. John, take. Bei.
Haya. 110.
110. Ningeuliza mchange lakini ile confidence mko nayo na unatoa na waste time. Nisiulize, si ndio?
Tuulize.
Niulize. Mtaka kuchange sana?
For now for team solidarity.
110.
Yeah.
Okay. Wamesema 110. Ruben.
150.
150.
Yes.
50 ml.
Yes.
150.
Lifebuoy. Yes.
Lifebuoy. Okay. So mia ni chupa 50 ml, 50 bob ni hiyo 50 ml, si ndio? Brand ndio bia. Brand ni mia alafu sasa 50 ml ni chwani ya juu, si ndio? Haina make sense. Na make sense. Yeah, bob per 1 ml, si ndio? Yes, sababu iko sawa. Let me tell you, the correct price range is anything between 70 bob and 85. Okay. Over to you guys. One more product for you. Dettol soap, even tone pomegranate. Buy 2 get 1 free. Hey, hiyo ni offer. Mtihani ni kwa buy 2 get 1 free. Buy 2 get 1 free. Alan. Bei. Dettol.
Buy 2 get 1 free. 270.
270?
Yeah.
Juu umetoa bei ya sabuni moja, si ndio?
Dettol ni premium maze.
Ni premium. Okay. Zingekuwa sasa zote kuna free, ingekuwa how much? Sasa umepiga tu hesabu ya mbili, si ndio?
270 hivi. Iko 270.
I'll stick with that. 270.
270.
Yeah.
Good choice. Good choice. Francis.
Yo pan.
Yeah. Pomegranate.
Inakaa ku expensive. Hiyo jina yenyewe.
Hiyo jina kuna venye iko na kauzito.
Iko na kauzito. Na kuitisha pesa hiyo. Sasa
inaitisha na kupea ngapi? 350. Francis, mimi nakuomba. Kama ndugu yangu. Nakuomba. Badilisha hiyo bei.
Asiwezi badilisha juu.
Usibadilisha?
Haiwezi kuwa chini ya 350.
Haiwezi kuwa chini ya 350. Okay. Nataka jiwezi kuwa chini. Uone kama inaweza kuwa pia juu.
Ilitokosa ikiwa juu kuliko ikiwa chini.
Okay. So unabaki na 350. Sawa. Tubaki na 350 na nyinyi mnabaki na 270. Let me tell you for free. Correct price tag is anything between 390
sabuni mbili.
410. Ungeongeza 40 bob ungekuwa ndani ya supu. Next time munisikize. But anyway, next product. Vaseline Men Body Lotion Cooling 400 ml. 400 ml. Ruben, hii ni kitu unanikosha buy. 400 ml. Vaseline.
100 ml.
Yes, 100 ml.
Ini 400.
400 ml. Twende kazi. Sema tu bei, sema bei. Sema bei.
Ha. 280.
280?
Yes.
Mimi nakuomba, Ruben, badilisha bei. Fanya kitu. Nakuomba.
Iko sawa hivyo.
Iko sawa hivyo?
Yes.
Good choice. Alan,
Yeah. 235.
235.
Yeah.
Ungependa au upendi kubadilisha vitu? Unataka kubadilisha bei?
240.
240. At least umefanya kitu. At least. For once umefanya kitu. For once, I wish ungefanya kitu zaidi. But let me tell you, correct price range is anything between 290 and 320. So, Tembo, niliwaomba mkakuara ndugu zanguni, poleni sana. Final chance to make this 800 points. Nature's own Spanish paprika, 100 grams. 100 grams. Sema tu. 100 grams. Yes.
90.
90.
Yes.
Lakini hata nikiuliza.
Tuulize.
Niulize. Please badilisheni hiyo bei.
Sema basi 100.
Umeongeza ile 10 bob ya 20.
Sawa.
100. Nakufanya 100. All right. John.
85 bob.
Badilisha bei, please. Fanya kitu serious.
Hii tunakwama nayo, si ndio?
Si ndio?
Eh.
Tukomeni nayo. Hizi vitu mlipoa mtu akwame na. Correct price range is anything between 165
Guy. Kwani ni gani?
Mnatumia
and 175.
miaka dogo.
If you didn't know,
Now you know.
now you know. When still at 1,400 points against 700 points for Rocktober. Final challenge of this evening. Back to school. This is the quiz show. We are on to my favorite challenge, back to school. We're going to test our wonderful contestants, how much they can remember of what they learned in school. This is quick fire trivia, no discussing, no snatching of points. Kila mtu anapambana na hali yake. We have 4 subjects: Kiswahili, Science, Mathematics, ICT. Compulsory is
Swahili.
And over to you guys to start this one off. Ile wakati mwingine nilianza na nani? John, nilianza nawe au nilianza na ndugu wangu hapa Alan? Nilianza nawe? Manake sasa naanza nawe. Uko tayari Alan?
Yes.
Swali lako la kwanza ni hili: majira ya mvua tele ya mfululizo huitwa? Muda wako yoyoma.
Masika.
Masika, umepata. Tunasema bibi la.
Bibi la.
Kamilisha, tunasema bibi la.
Bibi la moto.
Simanzi.
Samahani. Tafsiri neno conductor kwa Kiswahili. Utingo, umepata. Makao ya mtu angojeaye kesi ikatwe ni? Rumande, umepata. Eneo kubwa la maji ya chumvi linalozungukwa na nchi kavu huitwa?
Bahari.
Umepata. Mtoto wa kipepeo huitwa? Muda tumepita nayo. Kiwavi. Ulikuwa karibu sana ndugu yangu, karibu sana. Kweli. Bibi sio la moto. Asante, bibi la simanzi. Lakini mmejikakamua. Mmepata alama 400 zaidi. 1,800 points. Hi. Francis.
Yes.
Nilianza nawe wakati ule mwingine. Nitaanza nawe Ruben. Uko tayari?
Niko tayari.
Swali lako la kwanza ni hili: tunasema bunda la
pesa.
Bunda la pesa
Lanoti.
Umepata. Topasi au chura hufanya kazi gani?
Kufua.
Kufua. Nguo.
Kuosha choo.
Kuosha choo. Umepata. Nyuki huishi katika
Hive.
hive.
Nyuki mzinga.
Umepata. Kiumbe cha kiume cha mwanamwali ni? Kiumbe cha kiume cha mwanamwali ni?
Mwanamwa.
Mwanamwali. Asante mwanamwa. Haya, eneo la nchi kavu lililozungukwa na maji.
Island.
Muda wa yoyoma. Muda wa yoyoma.
Island.
Ruben, muda wa yoyoma. Asante. Wanyama wanaoishi kichakani huitwa?
Wanyama mwitu.
Wanyama
wa porini. Wanyama wa porini. No, itaka.
Asante ndugu yangu. Wanyama wa pori nitakupa. Nitakupa.
Asante.
Wanyama wa mwitu. Asante. Eneo la nchi kavu lililozungukwa na maji, kisiwa. Kisha kiumbe cha mwanamwali sio mwanamwa. Kapera. Kapera. Asante. Mmepata ngapi? Alama 400 zaidi. Hivi sasa mko na alama 1100. No, lead us so far. At 1,800 points, you have an opportunity of finishing strong. Choose between science, mathematics, ICT. John, I begin with you. Ready when you are? Okay, your first question is this one. Computer-based technology that enable users to create and share content or to participate in social networking is called? Okay. Computer-based technology that enable users to create and share content or to participate in social networking is called?
Cloudware.
Cloudware. Incorrect. A computer program or software application designed to run on a mobile device such as a phone, tablet or watch is called?
An APK.
An APK. APK. Incorrect. How many generations of computers do we have?
7.
7. Incorrect. What is the main working memory of the computer?
RAM.
Correct. A learning system based on formalized teaching but with the help of electronic resources is known as?
AI.
Eh?
AI.
AI. AI. Incorrect. The process of visual communication and problem solving through the use of typography, photography, iconography, and illustration is called?
Video.
Video. Oh, graphic design. Graphic design.
But it's video.
The learning system I was looking for is e-learning. All right, artificial intelligence was not the right one. We have had 5 generations of computers, not 7. And the computer program of software that is used on mobile phones, mobile application. And finally, computer-based technology that enables users to create content, share the content, and connect. Inaitwa nini? Facebook. Social media. Social media. Mumepata 1 question correct. 100 additional points. You're at 1,900 points. Watu wangu?
Yes.
Mathematics. Science. Science?
Yes.
Sawa. Francis, niko na wewe. Tayari? Let's finish strong. Question number 1. What double B is a common school equipment used for heating science experiments?
Bunsen burner.
Correct. What is a simple name for molten rock that erupts from a volcano?
Magma.
Magma. Correct. What elements make up water?
H2O.
H2O, what elements? Give me the names.
Hydrogen.
And?
Oxygen.
Correct. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, is mainly a mixture of which gases?
Pass.
All right. Electrons are larger than molecules. True or false?
Come on.
Electrons are larger than molecules. True or false?
False.
Correct. The focus of oncology is what disease?
Sorry?
The focus of oncology is what disease?
Oncology.
Yes.
Pass.
Pass. Cancer. Cancer.
Where?
Cancer. Cancer. Whoa. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, propane and butane. And then, of course, what simple name for molten rock? I was looking for?
Lava.
Lava. Not magma.
Lava.
Whoa, this has been a show and a half. You guys have gotten 1, 2, 3 questions correct. 300 additional points. You finished strong. 1,400.
Yes.
Awesome job, guys. Awesome job. Rocktober.
Yes.
Yes.
Unfortunately, Arsenal once again. Sisemi kitu. You guys have done well. Experience imekwaje, Ruben?
Ilikuwa tamu.
More fire.
More fire.
Mumejaribu, man. Francis, I salute you guys. Excellent job.
Thank you.
My winners, you have an opportunity of sharing the platform with me. Karibu sana. Watu yangu, Alan, unataka kusema pande gani? Alan, simama hapa hivi. Hey John, mmefanya kitu. Kama siwasi na kelele ukameingia mahali ama mliona hii tunaenda kuenda.
Yes, but pick up on the way.
We pick up on the way. Yeah. Alan, you saw it coming this way?
Yeah, we
Hi.
expected
My God. All right. If you believe you can do better than these guys, the number is 111 444 111. Of course, we keep the conversation going at Freddy Buddha Boss. Tufanye hii kitu. Tunakafunga aje watu wangu?
Atuimbie.
Kuchila. Kuchila. Yeka, unachila. Kama bado. Iba tu kutulia tu. All right. Tunatulia tu. Every Wednesday and Thursday only on Twitch TV. Watu wangu wana. Tulia. When you feel.